How to recover deleted Telegram messages on your desktop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover your deleted Telegram messages on your desktop. Start by visiting the Telegram support website. Once there, describe your issue in detail, such as mentioning that you want to recover your account along with your photos and chat history. Next, provide your full legal name as required. After that, enter your email address and the phone number linked to your Telegram account. Double-check your details to ensure they are accurate. Finally, click on the Submit button to send your request. Telegram support team will review your request and get back to you with assistance. Keep an eye on your email for their response. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.